Happy Ghost of Yotei Day! It is time to unbox the gorgeous new Ghost of Yotei DualSense controller. If you are familiar with the channel, welcome back. Unfortunately, I do not have the cover plates this time. I was overseas when the pre-orders went live. Did manage to score the controller, so let's get straight into it because this is such a pretty piece. I love the box design. I think they've done an amazing job with that actually. We're not doing anything special with an unboxing this time. Let's just get straight into this box. Here we go. Oh wow, I didn't realize it was actually engraved. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at this. They're actually they've engraved the controller, but the design is absolutely beautiful. So we've got a white controller with a light grey touch on the buttons, on this bottom plate here, as well as the thumbsticks and the PlayStation button. On the back, it is white with the Ghost of Yotei logo and then all the usual information. There is engraving on the back here too. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, okay. We've got a little PlayStation logo on the bottom right. The bottom of the right handle. That's a nice little touch. But obviously the star of the show is this gold detailing all across the controller. We've got the protagonist here and then the engraving. They've done such a nice job. The buttons do have the gold detailing as well, which actually that looks so nice. I'm so glad they went with gold and not grey. I love that the engraving goes up here too. That is so pretty. So obviously it is Ghost of Yotei Day today, release day. Thank you so much to PlayStation Australia for gifting me with the code as well. I just want to call that out because if you do see me playing or posting about it on Instagram, it is a gifted code. However, this controller I went and picked up myself because I did pre-order it, as I do with all controllers. So you guys know by now, I make sure I go on release day to collect these things and pick them up from my local store. Let's get a closer look at this controller. So subscribe if you haven't already, because like I said, I always do unboxings on the DualSense controllers and when I can get my hands on the cover plate too. The next one that'll be coming is the new God of War DualSense. I will be pre-ordering that tomorrow. I can't remember when the release date is, but if you subscribe, you'll see an unboxing of that too, coming soon.